Was it 685 to the death of me? Got my knuckles to a ride to the left of me. Got the cake in the bag with the recipe. We on that good vibe, I don't step to me. Mother, I stay locked up, talking on the bullshit. Though we stay smoked up, only on that good shit. Sipping on this liquor while we on the west side. Got a passion for this fucking, so you know we gon' ride.
And we stay posted on our block on the daily. Stay vigilant, tryna flip a million to get at this pavilion. Yeah, they know that we them boys from the south side. And yeah, they talk about it, but we really outside. Southside, he the fuck I love for the west side. Boo with some bloods, but I keep it on the left side. When I stay posted on that block, if they test mine, I might have to spray and walk away with the Tech 9. Love to my oosters from the old 46. Yeah, they said we couldn't do this shit from over the ditch. And now we got the connect, finna be over real quick. ET and Stadiano taking over this bitch. I done smoke a couple L's, so you know I'm feeling lifted. I flipped another bag, but it's all part of being it. And motherfuck the media label me.